Hello everybody, I'm Mark and you're on the CryptoMark channel, of course. We are moments after the declines. When you look at the charts, this is thick, and hour and a half there were moments where we really flew. Severally I missed it because for the last 6 weeks it was massacre and we almost went back to all-time high on some projects. Binance coin we dropped to almost $370. Cardano was around $2. 2 days ago it was free, so 33% correction on this cryptocurrency. Bitcoin also 20% of drop. Some Ethereum, it was around 3,000, and Ethereum Classic was for a while at $42 on the Binance on the biggest candle. Sometimes you can catch such things. It was about 30% correction. Solana, amazing things were happening because after a while it reached all-time high. It was 192 and now there is a big squeeze and it's again over $200. Now it has dropped a bit, but I'm curious what is going on with this project and whether it has the predisposition and tendency to be in the top 5 because he's really close. This rally was really amazing. Solana from 20 position to 7 to 6 right now and possibly even higher in the near future. Today we'll talk about the Streamair project, data for short, a very interesting project also because it has been on the market for a long time, since 2018, where it oscillated around 33 cents in maximum values. Here during this boom he almost managed to get closer to these values. It was about 50-60% less than before, and this rally happens due to the fact that usually those projects that flew on the wave a few years ago rarely return to the then values and go somewhere and try to bounce back, but rarely succeed. Here it is really interesting, so I decided that I will analyze what you want, especially on the correction. It might be an interesting moment to buy it for the first time or buy it if someone has it. Streamair is already listed in the top 400 on CoinMarketCap. It is not a big cryptocurrency. It has a market cap of like $100 million, but the turnover of $30 million now is 20 in the last 24 hours. But yesterday when I was writing my script, it was $30 million. So in the last day it's impressive. There is almost 1 trillion in circulation. So yeah, it's still quite a bit small price for 1 unit of this token. Here's what this whole project is all about. It's an open source project and a decentralized platform that relies on cryptography instead of trust. It's a real-time peer-to-peer data infrastructure containing a platform and tools for a new data economy. The technology stack includes a scalable real-time network hosted on computers around the world, a market for trading or selling data, and a toolkit for working with real data. So this project was crowdfunded 4 years ago in 2017. The main idea is to create a decentralized data economy infrastructure. The mission was formulated by the developers as unstoppable for the application, so Streamair tokenized the value of the information in real time and make it available in its marketplace. It is up to Streamair, his data coin, to create a convenient and prosperous information market that is built based on the convenience and a user understandable data exchange network. You may wonder how it works. This decentralized network is served by nodes all over the world that will earn data tokens in exchange for the just bandwidth and verification they provide. And the competitive advantage of this project is that it is an off-chain network. The intention of the Streamair team is not to create a special blockchain, but to focus on technology development and network optimization. If it lacks an opportunity like Ethereum, developers can move the platform to another blockchain, so it is quite flexible. So guys, I'm going to play a short video now so you can get to know the project from the inside, because they have their YouTube profile and nice videos, so let's take a minute and a half and watch it with me right now.
All around you, tech seems to be getting smart. Homes, buildings, and even cities. That smartness comes from constantly being connected, which means that almost everything now consumes and generates data. Who controls and owns that data is becoming more important every day. Here at Streamair, we are building the open source infrastructure that will power the world's data economy and finally give people back control of their information. Take your smart car, for example. For it to operate in a smart city, it will want to know about traffic, which potholes to avoid, and the local price of electricity. It will also generate information useful to others, like highways agencies and your fellow road users. We are working with dozens of companies right now to integrate our open source blockchain technology into your car and other devices. So you will be able to automatically sell the data you are producing and buy back what you need on your terms. Your data will travel through our decentralized peer-to-peer network, hosted on computers around the globe and powered by Streamair's digital currency, Datacoin. No transaction will be too small, no amount of data too big. And because we are open source, we won't take a cut of your transactions. Tech is getting smarter, but with Streamair, you won't miss out on the smart money. Streamair.
Alright, so we are already after the movie. I hope you learned something from it, and now I will tell you who the founders of this project are, and then we will analyze social media and what we can find on them. Streamair Network, founded in 2017 and headquartered in Switzerland, Streamair open source team consists of skilled developers, financiers and developers scattered across different time zones, so someone is active all the time. Henry Picala is the founder, CEO of this project, holds an MSc in mathematics from Helsinki University of Technology and has experience in real-time computing software development as well as 10 years of independent IT consulting. Risto Karlainen is the founder, CEO of Streamair. Karlainen, a PhD in decision science from the Wharton School University of Pennsylvania, prior to joining the team, was a quantitative analyst at Banhan Partners Limited, an analyst at JP Morgan and Wadawi Capital Limited, and an investment portfolio manager at Merrill Lynch and Ensler and Partners. He is passionate about real-time data and decentralized processing, and it is important that someone has a sneak peek and a passion for this background, and a solid foundation for the project can be created on this. Nick Nyland is the CEO, founder and director of the project. He is director of the project's business development. Successful entrepreneur, Nyland helped fund and developed companies like Quartal VS, which was acquired by Invested Limited, Quartal Financial Solutions and Quartal Content Management, which means he has several companies in his portfolio in the past. Michael Malka is the head of Streamlabs. Malka has a computer science education from Helsinki University and over 20 years of experience in the software industry in positions ranging from programmer to general manager. What makes Streamair a project unlike any other? Mainly because it is a project focused on seamless data exchange and data monetization. As previously mentioned, this is a peer-to-peer network for real-time data that runs on Ethereum, allowing the use of smart contracts to facilitate the exchange process. The key element of the network is the brokerage nodes, which operate as follows. Data is received from suppliers and sent to consumers. Sponsors, who may be publishers, pay data tokens to a smart contract to secure the operation of this network. The data stream is secured by bandits exploring nodes and forwarded to subscribers by publisher or broker nodes. The series of technologies developed to optimize this design is an organized complex called the Streamair stack. This complex supports uninterrupted data transmission in the network, consists of 5 blocks, smart contracts, Streamair editor, Streamair engine, which enables analysis, data processing, and monitoring of network events, data market, and Streamair networks. They also have their own block, so it's great as an alternative to other projects because they have their own internal ecosystem where they can just write about the project and other things. In this respect, they create a community and do not have to publish on a Medium or another platform. There are a lot of these entries, but as you can hear, the project is technical for frequent enthusiasts and people who understand these topics. For people who like the video, and they have a YouTube channel, so with a lot of content, and also the faces of the team and collaborators are shown, which is cool because we can see what's going on from the inside, and we can see all the faces, all the people which stay behind the project, and it should help in making a decision about investing or not, or also something else. If you have about the ideas, you can just read on the blog about anything what you would like and the blog will be described in the description under this video. On Twitter, over 50,000 followers, over 3,000 tweets, all organically well developed, but as we see, the project is already 4 years old. Some of these users are for sure inactive, so that's why the engagement rate under this post is not perfect, because you see there is over 50,000 followers and just like 4 likes, 13 likes and a few comments only. And yeah, just like that, it's in the cryptocurrency normal, because almost all the projects has in the past like a few months boom, then people are migrating to another project to just facilitating them and just to take a part of the new investment proposition. So that's nothing about to worry about. It's probably organic and well prepared, but it's just after a time a little bit not working like it should in the previous years. So yeah, this is what it looks like. If you want to buy these project tokens, you can do it on the Binance exchange. Leave a thumbs up, a channel subscription, of course, and a comment if you like the video. You will find a link to the Streamair in the description to the page of the project. And also, if you are able to buy this token and you do not have an account on the crypto market, you can register from my ref link and we will both be rewarded in the future. So yeah, don't forget to check all the links in the description. That would be everything for today. So until later guys, see you.